Hello and welcome to Rei Reply CRM workshop. I am Travis Bouchonville, and this tutorial is going to teach you how to make a do not call workflow. So when you're talking with someone, they say, hey, don't call me or take me off your list, anything like that. You just simply take the contact DNC and it moves it into the workflow. And what the workflow does is it shuts off all lines of communication with that contact. It cancels all appointments and it moves them out of your pipelines, all your pipelines and all your workflows. Okay, I'm going to share my screen and let's get into the workflow. So here, the way that this contact moves into this workflow, what triggers it is DNC tag is added, or you can manually move it into the do not call wrong number pipeline in the do not call stage. Then this is where we shut off all lines of communication. So you go to the set contact DND, and then you go to enable DND for all channels, and that'll shut off all channels for that contact. Then in the event we manually moved it, we're going to tag it DNC, and in the event we added the tag, we're going to automatically move it into the DNC wrong number pipeline in the do not call stage. All right, then we cancel any appointments that we had. We edit the conversation to mark it as read and archive it so it gets out of our conversations. We remove the assigned user, and then this is where we remove it from all and any pipelines, and then here remove from all workflows, and including this workflow. Okay, that concludes the tutorial on do not call workflows. And so if you guys have any questions, please DM me, or you can come to our Zoom tonight. We're going to have it at 6. And please follow me on Facebook at Property Systems to get any updates on any new tutorial or material that I come out with. All right, we'll talk to you then.